have developed during the years a lot of methods to do in situ bioremediation and soil cleaning. That means in situ means that underground, that it's not dug up, it's not excavated. And in Motala we did one project where we treated soil that was contaminated with oil, and it worked pretty well, although it was a little bit slow. And now recently we have started another project in Valmiera in Latvia, where we do similar methods but in a totally different kind of setting. It's heavy oil fractions, so-called mazut, that they used to use in the Soviet Union.
As our aim in the Insure Project is to improve the management of contaminated sites in our region, we developed a strategy for handling contaminated sites. And mainly it's targeted to landowners, municipalities and regional boards as well. And we also developed a prioritization tool for municipalities, which they can use in our daily work as an instrument for decision making and choosing with which pilot sites, with which contaminated sites to deal with. After the Insure Project, environmental things will be still in our agenda, and we will support our municipalities in sustainable planning and sustainable acting.
We have received a lot of new contacts with the partners in Sweden and Latvia, and gotten a chance to do work with new types of sites.
I hope this project will continue in some other form, because it has been real fun and real successful, and we have learned to know quite a lot of people working with contaminated sites in another way in other countries. We are crossing borders.